Welcome to the first episode of our Python for Beginners series. In this video, you'll learn how to write your very first line of code in under 5 minutes, with no complex installation required. Why is Python the language everyone wants to learn? It was specifically built to be accessible, highly intuitive, and powerful for developers of all levels. Python's power lies in its readability, its massive demand in fields like AI and data analytics, and its vast library of tools that allow you to create complex software with minimal effort. Compare these two snippets. On the left is a standard Java approach to printing text, and on the right is Python. As you can see, Python is much cleaner and easier to read. Let's break down that first line. The print function displays your message. Using double quotation marks defines your text as a string, and because we are running this on servers, you get immediate results. That wraps up our first episode. In the next video, we will explore how Python uses variables to remember information. Be sure to subscribe for updates and comment "Hello World" below.